Hello and welcome back to the Salesforce Hulk channel, and this is episode 4 of Ask the Hulk series. And I'm gonna answer the question that all of you guys have. So here's coming up with another question. The question is from Shubham, and Shubham asked me, hello sir, how can we get Salesforce certification voucher? Okay, so Shubham, you need to earn it. There is only way to get the certification voucher, and that is to earn it. And there are different ways that you can earn it. The number one and the most common one is to participate into the Salesforce events. And in these Salesforce events, you need to you might get some challenge or you might get some competition. The prize of that competition or that challenge might be the Salesforce certification voucher. Otherwise, there is no other way, I guess, to get the Salesforce certification voucher. And for those of you who do not know what Salesforce certification voucher is, Salesforce certification voucher is basically a code that you get, which with the help of which you will be able to give your Salesforce certification exam for free. Yes, completely for free. You do not have to pay any dollar for it. Instead of $200, you pay it on you give that exam on $0. So whosoever is looking for the Salesforce certification voucher, make sure that you participate into these events and the competition that happens, which has the prize money as the certification voucher, or certification voucher as the prize money. That's the only way you can get it. The next question is from Darshana Thul, and she asked me, hey, hello Shrey, hope you're doing great. Need some help about Salesforce hands-on experience. Can you help me regarding the same? So Darshana, what you need to do is you need to get connected with the people who are already working into this domain and ask them to volunteer the work. I'm saying it again and again and again and again, literally again and again, that there is no guided path to learn. The best way to learn is to do that particular job. And how you can do the job when you already do not have a job? Get connected with someone who already has that job and help them out to get that job completed. That will actually give you a lot more exposure and a lot of experience, I would say, related to this particular skill. So that is one thing that is going to help you out.